Hello everyone, myself Prateek Mishra and I welcome you all to the YouTube platform of IMS Gate Academy. Today will be a very important session because today we will going to discuss how to fight the fears of gate preparation. I'll be taking some of the common fears and we will be discussing all of them in detail. So the today's topic for discussion is how to fight fears regarding gate preparation. My dear, GATE is rated as India's one of toughest exam to crack. Along with that, it is one of the exam which provides a lot of opportunities for higher education and for PSU jobs, especially central government jobs. So if a single examination is opening up so many gates for an engineering graduate, definitely it will not be an easy exam to crack. But it is not even a hard exam to crack. It requires some basic consistency, it requires some basic discipline, and it is very easy to get at least 54 to 60 marks out of 100 in GATE examination that will eventually lend you to any of the IITs for MTech. And if you are securing anything above 65 plus marks, your chances for PSU selections are tremendously high. So looking into all these aspects, the first question that comes in the mind of the student is, am I a GATE material? Not that study material, right? GATE material means, am I a student who should be looking for GATE examination? So my answer is definitely yes. If you are an engineering graduate, you should definitely look upon to this examination. This examination not just develops your technical content or technical reasoning, it actually gives you a push into the engineering fields for choosing best of the engineering careers that directly help in the nation building. No one can be called like a GATE material or not made for GATE examination. GATE requires understanding the basics of your technical subjects. If you look into the level of questions asked in GATE examination, you might have attempted a harder level questions in the examination of IIT JEE, mains and advance. Out on the scale of 10, the GATE questions can be rated around 4 to 5. They are not difficult questions, but they are made from those basics which student lacks or student does not read properly while he is doing his BTech or engineering. So if anyone have this question that am I made for GATE or should I give time for GATE? Definitely yes. Especially if you are a third year student, start looking seriously upon GATE examination. Because what happens is, if you look into the overall syllabus of GATE examination, almost 70 to 80% of the GATE syllabus will be taught up till third year. In final year, you have hardly one or two subjects which are left in the GATE syllabus. All the syllabus of GATE is covered up to the third year of engineering. Almost. I am talking about 70 to 80% of the syllabus. And one more point is, third year onwards, students are eligible to write GATE examination. This is my personal advice to every engineering graduate that every engineering graduate should appear in GATE examination when he or she is in third year. At least prepare 2-3 basic subjects along with maths and aptitude that makes your preparation up to 50-55 marks. And try and get one attempt of it. Just see how easy that exam is. Out of 1 lakh student, only 18,000 students qualify GATE exam. That is, they get 25 plus marks in GATE exam. In an examination where 15 marks of general aptitude and 10 to 15 marks of mathematics are asked, in that examination, students are not even getting 25 marks, and it is more like 72% of the students appearing in the examination. Now the question comes, why the students are not scoring well? Reason is they are not taking the opportunities through GATE exams very seriously. If one student has full-fledged idea that how important GATE exam is, how many opportunities it will going to open up, definitely he will going to start preparing for the GATE exam from that day onwards. It is the only exam in the country that directly affects your life after BTech. IIT JEE never affects your life, right? Or all the previous exams that you are given before BTech does not affect your life. But this one particular examination seriously going to affect your life in this most difficult time of recession, especially. You may be from any specialization, but if you do not have a proper GATE score, right, for most of the times in the job interviews, your resume will be like treated as an average resume, or you will be treated like an average candidate until and unless you do not have some extraordinary skills apart from the GATE score. But if you have a GATE score, automatically you are rated way above than so many students around. GATE basically gives an understanding to the person that, okay, this candidate has some basic knowledge about technical subjects. If we can teach something, he can definitely build good on that. So every engineering graduate is a GATE material. And if you are an engineering graduate, you should definitely go for the GATE exam. Especially if you have just cleared your second year, and if you are entering into your third year, then definitely you should go for GATE exam. What happens is, once a student is in third year, after finishing its sixth semester, suddenly a huge stress of placement comes, and students are not planned about that thing. So if you start your GATE preparation from third year onwards, mark my words, you will be well prepared and pre-prepared for every challenge that will be coming to you. Whether it is a challenge of campus placement, whether it is a challenge of other technical exams, or whether it is a challenge of improving your BTech degree. Everything will be well planned and well sorted. So never ever think that you are not a GATE material. Every engineering graduate is a GATE material and should give GATE examination while he is doing his BTech. GATE is giving you an opportunity to have 24 LPA package through PSU recruitment. ONGC is offering 24 LPA, highest ever placement offered or highest ever recruitment done by PSU. Then you have Ingenious India Limited offering you 19.1 lakh rupees per annum. Just imagine if you belong to a normal private college or even a government college, and if you are from core branches like civil, mechanical, electrical, where the placement scenario is not that good right now. And on the same side, GATE is offering you such a huge package. And that too, if you started preparing along with your semester exam. Extra effort is not required. The thing which is required is your dedication, your clarity about preparing for GATE. You should be clear why you are preparing for GATE. So this makes you a GATE material. If you are clear that why you will be preparing for GATE and how much time you are be dedicating for your preparation apart from your college, then you are a GATE material. And every engineering student is a GATE material. I am again repeating this. Okay, this is the first. We are moving to the next one. Do I have sufficient time to read all the topics? Now, this is one of the favorite question of all the students who started with GATE preparation. The first question that they ask is, sir, how we can finish the entire syllabus in 8 months? I tell you very honestly, to finish the entire syllabus of GATE, 800 hours of live teaching is required. 800 hours. Okay. Then along with this 800 hours, you require some 400, 500 hours for question practice additionally. So on regular basis, if you are giving 2 to 3 hours daily from third year onwards, right, you can prepare the entire syllabus of GATE in next 9 to 10 months. That much amount of time is required. And if you are well prepared in your third year, just imagine in your final year, you will again have this chance to revise the entire thing, practice more questions, and definitely that will land you directly into a very beautiful rank in the upcoming GATE examination. If you are a final year student, 2 to 3 hours initially, then 3 to 4 hours after 2-3 months will be required. And that can be very easily managed in your final year, because most of the final year students, they don't have many subjects to read. They have some project work, right, and they have 2-3 subjects to read along with 1 or 2 labs. So they have abundant time. So don't miss out your opportunity for preparing for GATE examination. It only requires 3 to 4 hours on daily basis apart from your college studies, which can be very easily managed. Even if you're finishing your college early and you're not doing anything good for yourself in the final year, right? Mark my words, your next 3 years will be full of challenges. So avoid that. Plan your engineering well, and along with your engineering, plan your GATE preparation so that you are efficiently using your time and you are learning new concepts in very limited time. We have highly trained professionals who actually teach the very conceptual concepts in very limited time, and that too with full clarity. And that is how we promise to our students that if you start preparing with GATE examination, we are ready to give 100% if you are ready with your commitment of attending the classes regularly, of practicing questions regularly. So this is the second fear. So don't have this thing in your mind that how you can allocate time or whether you have sufficient time or not. You have a sufficient time. The only thing is 3 to 4 hours on daily basis for final year students and 2 to 3 hours on daily basis for second year or third year students. That much amount of time will be required. Okay. Now moving to the next fear, that how to clear the backlogs. Okay. So once the students start preparing for GATE examination, so there will be few topics for which he or she has missed the classes, or he was not well, she was not well, so she again missed the classes. So for those topics, some backlogs are created. Even if he or she is attending the classes, then also for some of the topics, when that subject was going on, they were not able to manage time and they were not able to practice enough questions from that topic. Okay. So how to clear those backlogs? I will always tell this thing to my students: stay with the class. Okay. Don't treat anything like a backlog. If you are not missing any class, right? You have time, and in that time, if you are practicing sufficient question, it is enough. Because if few questions are left, we will going to do it in the further revision cycles, right? GATE is not like you will read the subject for one time and then leave it. You have to means you have to revise this for multiple number of times. And while you are doing your revision, those questions which are left or those concepts which are left, those can be cleared very easily. And what I target is, before GATE examination, every student should do 5 times revision for each and every subject. 5 times revision. It is a very practical scenario. It is not like you just said and written somewhere. So I am telling you, it's a practical thing that students are doing, and it is very easy to manage. If you have proper mentoring, it can be managed very well. 5 times revision of every subjects. Okay. So just for the sake of clearing the backlogs, you should not clear further backlogs. Okay. Whatever is left due to missed out classes or you haven't got enough time for practice, leave it. Whatever you are reading on this particular day, you start from there onwards. And whenever in between you get time, you finish this thing, whatever backlog is left. But don't clear the backlogs on the sake of creating new backlogs. पुरानी चीजें खत्म करने के लिए हमको नया बैकलॉग क्रिएट नहीं करना है. जो आज हमने पढ़ा है उसको साथ पढ़ते हुए ही पुरानी चीजों के लिए टाइम निकालना है. और यही प्रोसेस होता है बैकलॉग क्लियर करने का. ओके, अगर आपके क्वेश्चंस मिसिंग है, देन देयर इज अ नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ योर क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट मिसिंग, सम कंसेप्ट्स आर मिसिंग, देन दैट कैन बी क्लियर्ड इन द रिवीजन साइकिल. नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. So this is the next fear that we have. Okay, moving ahead with this. Am I not getting time for revision? Sir, I have done 1, 2, 3 subjects. Now do not remember the first subject. I do not remember even a single word from the first subject. One of the favorite question of the students. After completing 2, 3 subjects, the common question is, sir, we don't remember anything. How to do this? So first of all, how you need to do this? Whenever you are reading the subject for the first time, prepare the short notes. It's a very, very important activity to do. You need to prepare the short notes. And it is mandatory to revise these short notes on daily basis. Now, the common mistake that students do is, while they are preparing the short notes, they prepare the sub notes. Sub notes, you understand? Class notes are 300 pages. They prepare the short notes for 100 pages. No, those are not short notes. Short notes only contains formulas and facts. That's all. If you have a 200 page of class notes, it has to be compiled in 4 to 5 pages of short notes. and it is very easy to go through these 4 to 5 pages on daily basis. I'm telling you, if you remember the formula, the kind of confidence you get, it is next level. But if you do not remember the formula, you start doubting your preparation, and that should be avoided. You should never do that. Never ever. Keep revising your short notes, and I can guarantee you this, you can never forget the subject. You will never forget the subject. Even if you forget something, you can just quickly check your class notes and revise that concept. So for that, regular revision of short notes is required. Now talking about this revision, right? Never plan your revision by planning reading your class notes again and again. Revision should be done using numericals. Okay. What you do is, you read the subject in the class for the first time, you prepare the class notes, then you prepare the short notes, then you take up previous year gate questions. Now what you need to do is, while you are solving these gate questions, whichever question you are missing out, you are not understanding properly, or you are not able to apply the concept properly, just mark those questions. Now when you will come back for revision, you actually target these marked questions which you haven't understood. And that is how you should plan your revision. For the other questions that you have managed for the first time, you have to just see whether you are actually solving them or not, right? So you can go through them quickly. So you need not to have extra practice for those questions, or means extra time waste for those questions, right? You have to just target those questions which you are unable to solve. And please don't leave any question. At least you need to see all the questions, right? That is what I am telling you. So revision can be planned easily, but you need to revise through the numericals, not through your class notes. Don't do this mistake of taking up your class notes and just reading it for multiple number of times. That will not going to help you. In GATE exam, 65 questions will be asked for 100 marks, and those 65 questions will require some technical reasoning. It will not require notes reading. It will require technical reasoning. For that, you need to practice more number of questions. Okay. So revision can be planned easily. Revision is not a problem, but revision has to be planned with numericals, not with your class notes. Moving on to the last fear, and one of the very, very important point. What if I can't score well in GATE exam? This is a question that comes to each and every student, that, sir, what if I can't score well in GATE exam? I have already prepared for 8-9 months, and now if I don't have a GATE score, then what should I do? Or should I start with preparation or not? This is the first and the most important question that comes. Sir, if I give 9 months of my life and still I haven't done well in GATE, then what? First of all, if you are honest towards yourself, if you are sincerely preparing with discipline, nobody can stop you to get at least 40 marks in GATE exam. And if you're securing somewhere around 40 to 45 marks, one thing is for sure, you're getting into NIT with a stipend of 12,400 rupees. Okay, point number one. Second point is, what about, sir, ki if I haven't qualified GATE exam? After preparing for 9 months, I haven't scored well. I haven't qualified, then what? So I tell you one simple thing. Even if you don't score well in GATE examination, especially for core branches, you have other government examinations that are conducted throughout the year. Like just before GATE examination, you have the examination of ISRO and DRDO. Then after GATE examination, you have an examination of prelims of engineering services. After that, you have BARC examination. After that, you have SSC JE examination. After that, you have state PSC examination. After that, you have RRB JE examination, RRB AE JE examination. And after that, you have examinations conducted for state PSUs. So don't miss out on that. You have so many opportunities. If you prepare well for GATE, you have opportunities throughout the year. Please focus on this. So this is my sincere request to you. If you are a civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, data science, computer science engineering graduate, start preparing for GATE exam. So by these words, I would just like to make further few announcements, my dear. The group, the Telegram group link is given in the description box. If you want to have YouTube PDF, lecture PDFs, YouTube session details, if you want to enjoy the daily quizzes, if you want to have seminar and webinar links, the link is given in the description box. You can join our Telegram group. We at IMS GATE Academy, we provide you with 800 hours of live teaching along with interaction, where we offered 4 different types of programs: online program, offline program, hybrid program, and the self-learning program. We provide you with theory and exercise book containing 4,000 practice questions, in which they are well placed in level 1, level 2 and level 3. We provide you with exclusive GATE question bank containing 34 years of GATE question, in which we have provided the detailed solution, alternate solution, video solution along with key points and chapter overview. That is one of the most premium product that we provide at IMS GATE Academy. We provide you with 12 personalized one-to-one mentoring sessions so that you are not derailed from your preparation. You are not demotivated from your preparation. You are well on track and well planned for your GATE 25 preparation. We provide you with India's largest test series containing 130 plus tests, starting from the chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test and the full length mock test. By these words, I would wish you all the best. If you want to book a free counseling session, you can take these numbers, and the link of the free counseling session is also provided in the description box. You can speak to our student awareness team. They will going to guide you in the proper way. So thank you so much. If you have liked the video, don't miss out to share with your friends, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.